So I bought a car.
Girl was so mean to her friends and her family.
Miss your old self too. Once go
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite person, Cindy CJ. Please like this video now before you forget, okay? So guys, so I bought a car. So if you guys remember in my sit down video I did, like a story time, telling you guys how I passed my theory test, driving test, stuffs like that. If you watch that video to the end, at the end, if I remember correctly, I said a prayer. I was like, God, please, I want to buy a car. I want to buy a car. So now that I've gotten my full license, my driving license, I think up next, I should be gearing up. I should prepare to buy a new ride, because the car I'm using was the first car we bought that time that my husband was using for work before my husband got a new car, and then he gave me that one to be using. But I think I will start preparing to buy a new car. God help me, amen. God help me, amen. Yeah, so I just said to chat with you guys and to tell you guys that Cindy CJ is now a driving license holder, a car. So, amen. So it was a prayer I said, and the thing is, it was the car I've been driving. That was the first car we bought, and then my husband bought a Mercedes car, and he's been using that one to work and everything. And then that first one we bought, he gave it to me. So that's the one I've been driving. And if you guys have been watching my vlogs, like 4 or 5 vlogs down, there was a time this car gave me a problem. Like it had some issues that needed fixing and a lot. I might just put a clip. A lot happened to that car, but I was still using it anyways after it was fixed. But I was like, no, it is high time. I was like, no, it is high time I get another car. So yeah, I got a new car. So this here, this is my new car. Yeah. So yeah, congratulations is order in the comment section. Feel free to tell me congratulations, okay? Feel free to be happy for me, okay? Yeah, so I just said to share the good news with you guys. You guys know here in my channel, I gist you guys every. If I have any good news, I share with you guys. Yeah, okay, just to carry you guys along with me, okay? So if you see me not driving the other car, because some people, they've noticed, they're like, did you buy another car? Did you buy a car? You know, stuff like that. Yeah, I bought a car. I think I've answered you guys now, okay? So I just came back from my daughter's school event. They had this event they did in school. I just got back now. So I said, let me share the good news since I'm still looking this cute. Since my face is still popping, let me just use this popping face and share the good news. So yeah, I just got back from the event. She has been rehearsing for this event for a long time, and I'm so happy I was able to attend. Yeah. Mama, you did well, okay? You did well, okay? High five. I'm super proud, huh? Oh, you said your line is correct. I figured everything. I'm a girl who will show you, okay? Yeah, so let me show you guys the full outfit. I'll flip the camera to show you guys the full outfits. Here we go, another beautiful one from Firmoo UK. You guys know that glasses are face accessories and your frame should match your skin tone, yeah? This is so beautiful. Let me show you guys. So as always in this pouch, yeah, these, and straight out of the bag, you guys, let's try it on. Oh my god, oh my, so we have undertones like silver, black, gray, and then warm tones like gold and brown, and you know that the right frame color can improve your skin tone, appearance, and make your face look so bright and beautiful, as you can see. How am I looking? How do you see this look? See, be sure to order these glasses from Firmoo UK. I mean, check my description now and order. And good thing is that you'll be getting 50% frame off when you use this code on the screen. As I'm talking to you right now, head straight to my description and start shopping. It's Firmoo glasses or nothing. You guys, look at that beautiful glasses. I mean, I'm so excited. So you don't want to miss this. You don't want to miss this offer. 50%. I mean, a huge 50% frame off when you order with this code on the screen. This code will also be in my description. The link to order will be in my description as well. So happy shopping. Firmoo glasses is simply the best. It is just the best. Since I started using Firmoo glasses, it is Firmoo or nothing. It gives you this bougie look, this sophisticated look, this elegant look. You can see for yourself. I don't need to talk too much. You can see how elegant these glasses. I mean, these simple glasses just switched my look from basic to elegant. So what are you waiting for? Straight to the description and start shopping, okay? And be sure to share the link to your friends, to your family members, everybody.
I can tell your friends you don't want your You like to go slow, you want to go faster. Let me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I'll be nice things. Slide, any other man tryna get in the bed. So one of these house today. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do?
What a day! I finished work. I realized I didn't have enough fuel for work tomorrow. So I went to the fuel station where I normally buy, but they didn't have. So I had to go to another one where I eventually bought. You guys saw me. That was in Sainsbury. So yeah. Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are okay. I'm so tired. I can't wait to. I'm so tired and hungry. Hi guys, how you all doing? Hope you guys are cool. Hope you guys are okay. I just want to show you guys what my daughter Adeze has been doing for some time now. She wrote a book. She's right here in front of me. She's going to be reading this book to you guys. This one is Kitty versus that, blah blah. It's like 3 books. So this one is 1. This one is 2, not a good girl. And this one is 3, not a good girl, not a good friend. So she wrote like different pages. So this one has like 3 about, I don't know how many pages, but I don't know. The thing is, she draws as well. She draws, she paints, she colors, she writes. I don't know how to explain this thing, but she's here. So this one is the part 3. Can you guys see part 3? So this one is the part 2. You guys see part 2, and this one is the part 1. So she's going to read it for you guys. Me, are you ready? All right, here you go. So you start from part 1. So please keep quiet so that your sister will read her stuff.
Not a good girl. Kitty versus that mom.
So guys, this is the book. She used sellotape to hold it together, and she held it the wrong way. It's supposed to go this way, like this way, but she held it and it's going backward, but that's okay. All right, go on.
Okay, one day a little girl was so mean to her friends and her family too. She was so mean. One day when she was sleeping, she went downstairs.
You guys see her writing. Can you guys see Adiz's writing? Very clean writing. Go on, baby.
And her mom and dad was in the living room and she was shocked to see them. She said, "Mom and Dad, sorry," but her mom said no. When she was down, she saw her parents and she was scared. And her mom said,
You guys, this is a lot. I know if she reads all of them, the video will be so lengthy. But it's an interesting story. She will have to gist you guys by herself what the story is all about. So me, can you tell guys what your story is all about? Wow. So me quickly do the summary.
So, when Katie was going to sleep, Katie's parents were downstairs and Katie wanted to take something. Then when her parents were in the living room, Katie was shocked to see them. Then Katie said, "Mom and Dad, I'm sorry." Then Katie's mom said no. Then when she told Katie not to go anywhere, Katie was so sad. Then her mom said, "Where were you?" Then she said, "I was in my friend's house." Then Katie's mom said, "Go upstairs." And Katie was about to cry, but she just went upstairs. Then she went to her room and started crying. Then when it was morning, Katie went downstairs to brush her teeth and her parents were still sleeping. Then she got ready for school. And she went to school by herself.
Okay, guys, that's part one. And then I just tell you guys part one of her story. So she's going to be, let's keep part one aside. So she's going to be gisting us part two. So part two is Not a Good Girl by Adaeze. Can you guys see?
So,
Part two.
when Katie went to school, Katie put her hands up. Then her teacher called Miss Candy said, "Yes, Kitty." Then Candy stood up. Then Miss Candy said, "Kitty, you're not allowed to come up. You're only allowed to put your hand up and speak." Then Kitty said, "Miss Candy, your dress is ugly." Then Candy said, "Ah!" And everybody was shocked. Then Kitty started to be naughty. Then Candy phoned her mom. Then her mom was knocking on the door really hard, and Kitty was scared. Then Kitty went home. Then Miss Candy said, "Kids, don't look over there. Let's do where Kitty has gone home now," because she was being disrespectful.
Well done, baby. So this just sent us what happened in part two. Hope you guys are following. So please be sure to give this video a meter them.
Guys, make sure to give this video thumbs up and like, share, subscribe.
Good. So guys, please like this video, share and subscribe to encourage her to write more stories for you guys. If you guys need Adeze to write more stories, just let me know in the comment section, okay? So she'll be reading the part 3.
Yay!
So this is the part 3 of her story, Not a Good Girl, Not a Good Friend. So we'll see what it's all about. So are you ready? There you go. Tell us part 3.
So while Kitty's mom was driving home, Kitty's mom looked at Kitty and And Kitty's mom was so angry at her. Then Kitty moved her face away from her mom. Then when they were home, Kitty's mom said, "Go upstairs and remove your clothes and wear your house clothes." Then Kitty's mom said, "Go to your room. Now I'm going to lock it." Then Kitty was really mad and angry and she wanted to yell at them. Then she started banging on the door and started screaming and shouting. Then Kitty's mom and dad were so angry at her. Then when she was lying down, her mom said, "Kitty, wake up. Kitty, wake up." Then Kitty woke up. Then she said, "Yes, Mom. What's the matter? What do you want?" Then Kitty's mom said, "It's time to have noodles." Then Kitty jumped and jumped and jumped on the bed. Then Kitty's mom said, "Be careful, okay, before you hurt your leg." Then Kitty stopped.
So is that it? So all these things you said now is what happened in this part 3, yeah? When she was giving her, she was sad. Kitty's mom mad at her. Kitty angry and was mad. Okay, this was when she was jumping on the bed.
Kitty was angry and mad.
So guys, we've come to the end of Adeze's story section today. So like I said earlier, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to like, share and subscribe to my channel, okay? And let me know in the comment section if you want Adeze to write more stories for you guys. All right guys, talk to you guys later. For now,
Bye.